I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even though they're not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. Everyone should be able to feel safe and happy in school. I want our school to be no place for hate.
Did you know
Adorabilis is cute because it has big eyes and the little ears. Adorabilis are so small and really cute.
Hi! This is how we're going to wear a mask. And I'm going to start first. First, we get a mask. Then you bend. Then you put the mask on your ears. Don't forget to put it under your mouth and under your nose. Then, voila. That's how you're going to wear your mask. Bye!
Oh, hello, All-Stars. I'm here today with another food review, but I'm not reviewing something new on the menu. I'm reviewing a classic, the cheeseburger. It comes in this crinkly paper to keep it nice and warm because it has already been prepared, and what that does is it makes the cheese on the burger get a little bit melty. I love gooey cheese. The nice thing that it comes in this is that you can actually use it to hold your burger. So you can pull out your burger like this, crinkle up the paper, and now in case, like, I don't know, you take too big of a bite or like a piece of it falls out, it stays in this paper. So that's really nice. All right, let's try out the cheeseburger.
Oh, wow.
It's no wonder that this is a classic favorite. The melty cheese on top of that beefy patty, it's so tasty. It's not spicy, it's not sweet, it's just savory. It's really good. And the bun, it's a little bit toasted, but it's still soft. I don't know how they get that perfect texture, toasty soft. Feels like it's giving the hamburger a hug. Well, friends, the cheeseburger is so good, even plain. I know that if I was in the cafeteria, I might check out some condiments like mustard, mayo, ketchup, maybe even mixing it together and making my own kind of sauce called an aioli. Oh yeah, mayonnaise dipping sauces are the fad right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you've never tried the cheeseburger, check it out. And if you're not into cheese, try the hamburger. I give this 5 all-stars.
There is a seating chart for the picnic tables, just like there's a seating chart for everywhere you go.
You cannot leave your picnic tables when you are finished with your lunch unless you need to throw it in the garbage or if you are getting another lunch.
When you're at the picnic tables, you have to follow the rules, just like a cafeteria. Yeah.
Peace out, All Stars.
Peace out, All Stars.
Peace out, all stars.